Hey yo, Chris, bruh. Right now, you probably think that I am in the room talking to Brittany about a situation because I lied to your ass. But really, I'm in the room recording this B-Day birthday wish for your 21st, man. Cause it's your birthday. Come on, bruh. Come on. But bruh, come on. But bruh, come on, bruh. Come on. But come on, bruh. It's your B-Day. Your 21st B-Day. No, but for real, with all joking aside, you are one of my best friends out here, dude. And in life in general, and I'm so happy to know you. And you've taught me a lot, and I'm glad that we've been roommates for as long as we have. And you deserve a good birthday party, man. And I'm really glad that I know you, and we're about to be famous together, bruh. You know we is. So happy 21st birthday, man. Peace. It's our dubs, chilling in champagne-filled tubs. How do I stop this thing? Come on.